Hey friends, today I want to share how I prepare my home for summers. When season changes, I want my family to experience it fully and bring the energy into the house. I'm Arwa. I love sharing my design experience to make your home lovely on a budget. I'm sharing my 5 favorite ways to make your home summer friendly. And you guys, I'm one of those people who don't want to spend too much on seasonal changes but still want to change. Let's start with scented candles and potpourri. They fill the room with amazing aromas, transforming the energy instantly. Personally, I love lemongrass, citrus, mixed pine scents. I feel scents give a fresh and very inviting feel to a home. Since my kitchen and living room are connected, the aroma spread quickly, changing the environment of my home in moments. Add bowls of citrus fruit like oranges, lemons, limes for both color and fragrance. And placing them on your countertops or kitchen tables add a vibrant look. And with our fast-paced lives and a lot of stress, just opening up windows and let fresh air in can create a calming natural atmosphere that reduces stress and enhances your home. Next, let's add some summer colors to brighten things up. Use vibrant shades like fuchsia, berry, yellow, and coral to bring warmth and energy to a space. Lightweight throws and cotton or linen pillows can enhance this effect by adding texture and comfort to your room. Add floral arrangements and vases with fresh flowers in bright hues that uplift any room. Choose flowers that match your selected colors to tie the whole look together. Whether a large vase on a dining table or smaller ones on shelves, they create a focal point. I love to buy fresh seasonal flowers and add them to a vase on my kitchen island. It adds a life to my kitchen. Keep the color palette lively but not overwhelming. Balance bold colors with neutral tones like white, grey, beige to brown the vibrant hues. A few bright accents like fuchsia pillow or coral throw can make a big difference, along with colorful artwork that resonates your style. Now let's turn our attention towards lighting up the sheets for a fresh feel in the room. Lighter quilts and linens add a touch of sophistication and a breath of fresh air to your space. Light cotton sheets are cool and smooth and perfect for a good night's sleep. They also look clean and inviting on bed. My young one, he loves his superhero duvet, and it's kinda tough to take it away from him, so I got him a light summer sheet with colors of his favorite football team, which gets him excited to use it. Balance dark furniture with light accessories like throw pillows, lampshades, or rugs to create a visual contrast and brighten up the room, which kinda makes it really open. Consider fabrics for spring and summer and opt for lighter materials like cotton or linen to avoid a stuffy or closed off feeling in your space. And don't forget about the kitchen. Many people don't think about doing the seasonal change in this functional space, but trust me, it will transform the vibe of your entire household. Begin by swapping out soup pots for grills, which is perfect for warm weather, and adding a delightful smoky flavor to your meals while keeping your kitchen cooler. Change table runners and hang towels to bright summery colors and patterns to liven up the kitchen, which will uplift your mood every time you enter your space. Update your kitchen rug with summer colors like yellow, blue, or green to brighten up the space and make it more welcoming by making sure it's easy to clean for the inevitable messes. Enhance your kitchen with low maintenance plants like succulents or herbs on windowsills or countertops. They add a touch of nature, improve air quality, and provide fresh basil or mint for your dishes. Consider wall hanging baskets for both practical and decorative purposes. Using them to store fruits, vegetables, or kitchen utensils to free up counter space will add visual interest to your walls. With the kitchen and bedroom done, bring the summer touch to a living room. Clear away clutter to create a light and airy space. Remove half-dead plants and old magazines and replace them with fresh flowers. Donate items you no longer need to a nearby thrift store to help others. And open up space for better airflow in your home. Lighten up your living room for summers by reducing excess pillows. Store away the heavy ones and keep the lighter ones with covers in matching tones. All of these small changes give your space a brand new feeling and add a sense of energy and excitement during the summer seasons. These are the few changes I do when summer comes. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more interior design tips on a budget. And I'll see you next time.